concealer is really one of a kind and worth every penny because it lasts a long time and works really well. It's the only item that I use on my face that is primarily concealer, but I also use it as a light foundation that gives a very minimal, natural, no makeup look. Goes on super light and easy to apply. I have tried many other concealers, and what I love about this one is the silkiness of the application and the fact that it also has anti-aging properties like hyaluronic acid and SPF sun protection to preserve your skin integrity, especially under the eye where the skin is more thin and sensitive. I do have some mild dark circles under my eyes that are harder to see here because of the lighting. I have some freckles on my cheeks and just a few simple swipes under the eye, on my cheek and lip crease area. Gently blend it in, and it does a really nice job of evening out the skin, gives it a smooth out look without any of the cakiness of a foundation. This shade is in the color Almond, and it comes in many other shades to fit your skin tone. So I think Clé de Peau is known for their quality, and I can tell you that I really love this product. I probably won't be using anything else, and I hope you enjoy it as well. Whole day later, concealer is still looking good. Holds up well.